Welcome back to another video, everyone. In today's quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop running Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's an easy process, so let's get started. First, launch your Google Chrome browser and head over to the official YouTube website, which is youtube.com. Once the website loads, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Click on them to open the Chrome menu. In this menu, you should see an option that says Install YouTube. If you don't see this option, don't worry. Look for an icon that looks like a monitor with a down arrow. That's the install button you're looking for. Once you find it, click on Install YouTube. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just click Install, and the YouTube app will start installing. After the installation, the YouTube app will open automatically. To access it later, simply go to your desktop, where you'll now find a new YouTube icon. From there, you can open the app anytime and enjoy YouTube videos just like you would in a browser, but now in an app format. And that's it. Now you have the YouTube app on your PC. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Tip Nest for more tech tips and tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.